So this is now the third time I have recorded this video, so we're gonna get through it. I literally am so new to YouTube. This is just how it is, but I am so excited to talk to you about how to deal with damaged hair. I have a lot of clients that come to me with previous damage or damage that they've done to themselves at home, and it is super disheartening and it is super frustrating. So I just want to give you a quick little overview on things that you can do to deal with damaged hair, because we have all been there. Number one, see your hairstylist. If you don't have a hairstylist, find one. The best way is word of mouth. Your friends, your family, your neighbors, your coworkers. Ask people that you trust who takes care of their hair. Go see that person, see if that person is right for you. If you have a trusted hairstylist, awesome. What you're gonna wanna do is have them assess the situation and create a special treatment just for your situation. There are plenty of treatments out there, protein, moisture, all kinds of treatments for different scenarios to get your hair as healthy as possible. The next thing that you're gonna wanna do is take your hairstylist recommendation as far as products to take home with you. That is a shampoo that is going to address your specific situation, a conditioner, and a treatment that you can use at home. So that could be a hair mask or a deep conditioner. Your hairstylist will be able to give you specifics on what you need to do, but those hair masks and hair treatments can really help you out, even if you just use them once a week. So that is one big thing that people don't really want to do, but it's really important to get your hair back on track. And you can really contribute to your hair getting back to where it needs to be every week at home, which is amazing. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is get a haircut. And some people really don't like to get haircuts. They feel like their hairstylist takes too much off or they lose too much length. But in reality, all you need is to keep consistent with your haircuts. They could be a trim of like 1/2 inch or 1 inch, but you really need to get those ends off every 4 to 6 weeks, because you're getting all that damage off of your hair and out of your life. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is lay off the heat. So either turn down the heat on your heat tools or try some styles that don't require heat. Not every style is gonna require a blow dryer or a straightener or a curling iron. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial in the next few weeks about some no heat styles that are really easy to do at home, that look super cute and also kind of baby your hair or treat your hair with kid gloves, so you can still maintain that good healthy hair at home without damaging it more with heat every single day. You should not be using your heat tools every day. That's just not necessary, and it's causing more damage. There's also a million hair tutorials on YouTube about no heat styles. I strongly recommend like practicing and seeing which ones you like best. Like I said, I will be posting a video in the next few weeks with some of those tips and styles as well. I really appreciate you watching this video. Again, like I said, it's the third time that I have tried to record it. Let's hope this one sticks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need any further advice or if you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I promise to do my best to answer you. If you are in the Fresno area, I am taking new clients. So all my information will be in the description below, and if you are in the Fresno area, please let me know if you would like a consultation. I would love to meet you. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.